5 pieces of good news for Boeing 737 MAX in 2026. Hey aviators, welcome back. After years of challenges, Boeing's 737 MAX family is finally turning the corner in 2026 with some seriously positive updates. From production ramps to long-awaited certifications, here are the 5 biggest good news stories for the 737 MAX right now. If you love aviation or fly often, smash that like button and subscribe for more updates. Let's get into it. Point 1. MAX 7 certification this summer. The FAA is on track to certify the 737 MAX 7 this summer 2026, with the MAX 10 expected by year-end. This completes the MAX family after long delays. Southwest Airlines is set to be the launch customer, bringing more efficiency and range to short-haul routes. Point 2. Production ramp-up in full swing. Boeing has lifted production caps and is targeting 47 aircraft per month in 2026, with a new 4th assembly line opening in Everett. After strict oversight, this ramp-up means faster deliveries and stronger supply chains. Point 3. Strong deliveries and backlog growth. Boeing delivered over 150 MAX jets in early 2026 alone, on pace for around 500 this year. Major lessors and airlines like American continue placing big orders, showing confidence in the aircraft's future. Point 4. Europe nearing full approval. The last 737 MAX variants are close to EASA certification. This will open more international markets and allow airlines worldwide to fully utilize the MAX 7 and MAX 10. Point 5. Improved safety, quality and efficiency. Boeing has made big strides in quality control, defect reduction, and safety enhancements. The MAX continues to deliver better fuel efficiency, quieter operation, and excellent performance for operators. There you have it. 2026 is shaping up to be a strong comeback year for the 737 MAX. Boeing is delivering more planes, ramping up production, and finally closing out certifications. What do you think about the MAX's recovery? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more aviation news. Thank you for watching.